Martin has done nothing. He has not been able to reach my sister, who I gave him her name. My daughter, he told me just now outside, he told me he still has not been able to reach my daughter. I feel he's inept to represent me. He has only discriminated against me. I was told that you are the only person that can change my attorney. I respectfully request new counsel to defend me.
John, briefly.
I'll be happy to hear you. Go ahead.
We were given names and no addresses, no other information. And
I gave you addresses.
We were given names and no other addresses. But we have a private investigator. Now that Mr. Perrone is talking, I'll have the investigator speak with him again.
Okay.
The police reached out to my daughter. They got her phone number. I had her on the telephone. She was scared for her life. I was being threatened. I was locked up for 36 hours. I was tortured for 36 hours, locked up in the police station. I had an opportunity to talk to my daughter. In the middle of the conversation, they cut off the phone call to my daughter. I don't know the condition. To date, I still have not spoken to my daughter. Mr. Martin, I can't see how he cannot reach my daughter. The police reached my daughter. I gave him the information, my daughter, where she is. I gave him the information where my sister is. How is he going to properly represent me in this case if he can't reach my sister and he cannot reach my daughter?
Well, first of all, I want to assure you, Mr. Perrone, that Mr. Martin has been working in your behalf. I know that because he filed an omnibus motion for discovery in your behalf that the DA's office had to answer. He also contacted me and the district attorney to try to get contact information for your relatives so that the doctors doing the 730 exam could speak to your relatives. According to the 730 examination report, the doctors were unable to speak to these relatives that you were talking about.
Well, he spoke to the detective who was at the police station, this Louis Oreo, I believe his name is, and his partner Rich. They have my daughter's phone number.
All right, based on this record, there's really nothing more for me to do regarding this issue.
Excuse me,
it's not a reason for me to replace Mr. Martin based on the facts that I'm being made aware of. Apparently, your family members are not interested in coming to court on this case,
I do not
or in assisting you on this matter, because I'm pretty sure that they would know about this matter, and if they wanted to help you out, they would be here to support you, because that's the way it works around here in every other case that I'm familiar with.